Why do your portraits still look off, even after hours of drawing? Let's fix that right now. First, do start light. Always begin with soft construction lines so you can fix mistakes easily. And don't start with dark lines. It locks your drawing and ruins flexibility. Next, do focus on proportions. Eyes, nose, lips, everything needs to be placed correctly. Because ignoring proportions instantly kills realism. Now, do build your shading slowly. Go from light to dark, layer by layer, and don't overblend. Too much smoothness makes your portrait look fake. Here's the secret most beginners miss. Stop drawing features, start seeing light and shadow. Master this, and your portraits will instantly level up. Follow for more sketching tips and join my 21-day challenge.
Follow us for more easy drawing secrets.